So I go and CJ, I way up on the corner here. Around 2 weeks now when I see up on the corner, brother, I go on. What's up with you? Why you want no say no? I get a work up at the insurance company, A cashier work me up there doing, So oh you never tell we say you get work and you do work. No man. Why I want to tell you say you know what happened? After the I did a show no say me I go do like a police work or like a soldier work, me want get in a them thing there. When I tell me say me a police informer. Hmm? And a news me want bring pound in a community. So I want to tell you say every day my mother down in my ears like when bees in a hive I tell me say me must stop go up on the corner and go back at evening class because me have 5 subjects already and me must go see what me can do, you understand, and get something to do before something happen to me on the corner, you understand, because my mother always tell me say when plant no one dead it shoot, you understand, and my mother always have some little things to talk and me know why my mother mouth catch me. So, me not even say nothing to you because me no want to discourage there, Me no want to discourage me. So, me just shove out a evening time and go a one evening class. Yeah, man, down in a lane, them man, evening class. And get me 3 subject, them put on the 5 when me have make 8. Because all these time me sit down on the corner, on the thing say me a loafers. That time me have my 5 subject them. You understand? But true nothing now go on. But thank God for my mother. Follow my mother advice. Good to follow your mother advice. You understand? And me just take myself and come off of the corner, yeah, man. And find something to do. My mother proud of me now. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So me up there do one little cashier work up at insurance company. You understand? And them all tell me say, me can't do that till me move up. You understand? And be a thing. So, you know, want to save some money to see if me can go to university. You understand? And that's what my thing they know. The corner can't hold me no more, man. Why corner can't hold me no more? I have to live off my corner. I want to make something useful in my life, man. I want to do something. Brother, I want to drive all one car and all these things. Look how long you sit down on the corner and you not go on with nothing. Every day you not hungry and out of panic and beg and all these things. And I go on with no antics on the corner. Boy, I can't live like that, yeah, man. Yeah, man. And that's the thing there right now. Me I tell you, say, mommy proud of me. Yeah, man. And for all Mother's Day I come up now, me all want buy mommy something too. Mommy good to me, man. It good to listen to my mother, man. Yeah, man. Yes, man. I threw me there on the corner, yeah, make me all like go to them talking, because me have to try start talk with proper English and, upright and thing like that. Me have to start move different due to the job when me get right now. You understand? But true, me no want to no say me show off. Me have to just go on, go on the long time talking. You understand what me I tell you now? Yeah, man. So, me just there still, you understand? Me not even not tarry too long cause through a work me I come from, you understand? Me not too know when you not go see me again, you understand what me I tell you no say? But, alright, link up me that brethren them for me, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, tell Paris say me say hello, you understand? Yeah, man. And one done. Yes. And the rest are general them, yeah? Yeah, man, yeah. All right, then, CJ. All right, yes.